Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Oh wow, no wonder the temperature suddenly dropped around here. This phone practically brings its own breeze. Say hello to the iQOO Neo 11, still unreleased at the moment, but lucky us, we get an early look. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. I'll set the phone aside for just a moment because the accessories deserve their spotlight too. First thing in the box, the protective case. This one feels surprisingly sturdy. It's not that flimsy, transparent cover we usually get. It's solid silicone and fits perfectly. I love seeing a proper original case included. Major thumbs up for that. Next up, the charger. Yep, USB-C power brick, and the cable is Type-C on both ends. All modern and convenient as expected. Now let's return to the star of the show. This fresh new color variant is perfectly named Facing the Gale. The back design literally looks like wind is rushing across it. There's even this cool gaming style effect built into the pattern, and when the light hits or you move the phone, those gust-like visuals shift around. It's such a playful detail that weirdly makes me want to climb higher just looking at it. The glass uses a special neon finish that gives off different colors depending on the angle. One moment it's a clean and chilling blue, then as light reflects across the back, it washes into deep reds. Tilt it again and you get purple and pink tones dancing through the surface. The gradient movement of colors is just stunning from every perspective. The frame has also stepped up in style with a metallic texture mixed into the brown pattern, paired with that diamond-cut H-glass structure. The whole thing feels luxurious in the hands. What really impressed me is how smooth the transition is between the frame and the back cover. The design screams gaming performance, yet the texture feels soft and refined. It's a fun contrast. Even the camera module got a thoughtful upgrade. They kept the Neo series classic style but added a floating lens concept. Look closely and you'll spot precise aluminum alloy detailing around the lenses, expanding outward like subtle ripples. It gives the cameras a floating appearance that looks genuinely high-end. As for performance, iQOO didn't hold back this time. The Neo 11 is stacked with top-tier hardware. It stays true to the full-equipped idea and packs everything into this one device. This was just a quick first look at the design. What do you think of how the iQOO Neo 11 looks? Drop your thoughts below. A detailed review covering performance and all the juicy features is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech family. Catch you in the next one.